sunset swim at Karon Beach. It is 6:11 p.m. and we are only 7 minutes away from the full sunset. And the sun, we can see it clearly, and it is red right now. And the waves are also in. And what a beautiful way to end this Boxing Day, 26th of December, or second day of Christmas as it is also called. I have been on the beach chilling throughout the whole day and be taking swims. And now there are many people here that are taking photos of the sunset. I already took a bunch of photos, and I have seen almost a man down. Almost went down. So I was saying I have already seen much more beautiful sunsets than this, especially in Sweden. That it's not surprisingly known for its sunset worldwide, but I have seen so many beautiful sunsets in Sweden, uh, on the coast, obviously. This is how the beach looks like this late in the day at 6 p.m. and it is my final full day of my vacation here in Phuket in Thailand, day 14. That is tomorrow. I'm going back to Sweden late in the evening. So tomorrow I'm going to be swimming and doing beach adventures as well. Maybe only one last before and I will enjoy also as well, and then take the airport bus. Um, So yes, it has been quite amazing vacation so far. I have explored a lot, not just in Thailand, but also in Singapore and Malaysia as well. And I have been on 2 boat tours here in Thailand and explored many beautiful islands and places, including the famous Maya Beach and Maya Bay, but also the Coral Islands that are maybe 2 of my biggest best places, best beaches that I have seen. What else? Let's then, as we are entering the final minutes of the sunset, it looks so amazing. I'm not sure how you can view it from here, but it's red. The sun is red. And yeah, let's not wait any longer and swim in the sea. Amazing. This is Karon Beach in Phuket, Thailand. So I have had actually done so many episodes here, and now I realize that I will have so much time to edit the episodes. And by the time you have seen this, you're watching this, maybe it's January. And 2025 as well. But I have a lot of work to do also as well. But yes, what else? What else to tell you? Yes, Phuket is quite popular a tourist destination, mostly for Europeans uh, that come here to escape the winter. But I have seen also lots of tourists from Asia as well, including China, Hong Kong, uh, Singapore, Malaysia also as well. And also I have seen lots of Russian tourists here, as they are basically not welcome currently in the European countries, in the southern European countries, due to the ongoing invasion in Ukraine. So they travel here. They are welcome here. Everything, all of the prices, all of the, all of the signs at the shops, it's both in English, in Russian and Chinese also, what I have seen. And all the tours also are organized even in Chinese and Russian as well. So lots of Russian tourists here. And yeah, but very mixed at all. There are lots of Swedish tourists also, as well as Thailand is probably the most popular destination outside of the EU for Swedish tourists, but also from Scandinavian, other Scandinavian as well. I have seen people from France, from Austria, from Germany, very international. And it's quite easy to get to Thailand because there is no visa needed for most of the major countries. And there are some that need visa on arrival as well. And you can stay up to 60 days, I think, without a visa, which is more than enough. So, what else? Oh yes, also from Phuket airport you can also take lots of international flights to other countries like I did, to Singapore and Malaysia, but there are also a flight to China, to many of the other Asian countries as well, Hong Kong. So you can travel to many other countries here easily, especially with Air Asia, which is a low budget airline which I flew. And the 3 flights that I bought cost less than $150 in total. Cool. So with that said, it's time to wrap up this sunset. It is officially sunset now, 18:18. The sun has set. It was very hard to see it actually because of the dim clouds, the dimmed clouds that are there. But the sky looks awesome indeed anyway. That's a wrap from day 14 from Karon Beach, Phuket, Thailand. Thank you so much and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.